Hello everyone, this is Dhanush and you are watching me on Personal Assistant. Today we are going to cover an important topic that is depression. Yeah, it's been said that 1 in 5 people in India are depressed today, and India stands first place in the most depressed country. And every 2.5 hours, one guy is trying to commit suicide due to depression. Recently, too, you could know that the Sushant Singh Rajput, a Bollywood actor, have committed a suicide. It's just one part because he is such an enthusiastic person and most known person we are talking about it. But every 2 hours 11 minutes one person in this world is trying to commit suicide due to depression. And today we are going to talk about that depression and how to overcome it. I have part this video into two halves. One, how to never get into depression and live happily. And the second point, if you get into depression, how to get out of it. That's it. If that sounds interesting, let's hop into the video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's go in. It's just a Diwali gun, but it's the situation of current world. And let's see how to never get into depression. That's the first point. The first point when it comes to preventing depression is changing our mind. Yes, many people think that when I get that, I would be happy. When I cross this, my rest of the life will be peaceful and happy. But that's wrong. They are thinking the higher they go, the more insulated they become. But that's absolutely wrong because whenever you go higher and higher, your insecurities and your duties become more and more, and that's where you would be very difficult than before. So don't think like that. Just stop that thought because that leads to depression. You may ask how, because when you reach there and see that you are not happy till now, then your heart will definitely broke. So never think like that, so that we could be palatable with all the people around us and move life smoothly and happily. So I would say that think how can we be happy today? That's it. Don't go too much far or too much short. Be in present and live happily. That's the first point when it comes to preventing depression. And the second point is forming a trust group. Yeah, the people that you like the most, form a trust group with them. Whatever you feel, go and freely talk to them. Everything. For some, it might be very lucky that their own partners become their trust member, like the husband and wife. But you don't get like that. It's okay. There could be many other people like your friends, your relatives, but everyone should definitely have a trust group so that they could share everything with them. And that's the sole purpose of this life, to be happy with everyone and spend our time happily. And the third point is self-esteem. Yeah, you should have some high self-esteem. I am a kind of person who have low self-esteem. Yeah, I have suffered it many times. It's not a that much deep depression, but yeah, in my life before some years, but it's not like very deep. But I have come across this depression, and one of the main reason is low self-esteem. Yeah, I think myself as very low than compared to others. That's why he got depression at that time. So this is third point. Low self-esteem will lead to depression. So be happy. We all are beautiful. Our personality, our attitude, everyone's it's individual. They all are beautiful. Whatever color you may be, whatever, however your appearance may be, your attitude may be, your personality may be, but we all are beautiful, and it would seem beautiful to the right person at the right time. So first of all, love yourself. If you love yourself only, then you can love others. This is the third point and the most important point in all these points. Love yourself and have a high self-esteem. And before we go to the next topic, that is how to get rid of depression if we get into it, I would say your tip that if you get depression, do this. That is to eat and sleep. Yeah, that's it. Eat and sleep. If you get depression, go eat what you want and just sleep. When you wake up, you will feel proud of yourself. Somewhat hope you would get. With that hope, you could know that Every problem in this world are just momentary, and that's the life. But I would say another thing, that don't overdo it, so that obesity and that leads to some other problems. And the next thing, that is how to get rid of depression if you are in it. There is nothing to be ashamed of it, because the greatest of greatest people who are always happy looking have also went through depressions. Deepika Padukone, Princess Diana, J.K. Rowling, yeah, the one who written this book, the great Abraham Lincoln, and Chris Evans, you would know, Captain America, and many other. They all had serious depression and they have went out of it and have succeeded in life. And now let's go into how to get rid of depression if we get into it. The first thing is to decide. You should decide yourself that we need to get out of this, because the deciding can give you hope and everything. The best thing to get out of depression is to connect to the nature's five souls, that is water, air, land, fire and the Akash, because our body is made up of these five elements and we need to be with them. That's how we can be happy and peaceful. I would say it with an example for you. First of all, let's take water. Have you ever remembered how happily and peacefully you have get out of bath? Because after our whole body is in contact with the water element in our body will activate. That's the reason behind it. And the second one is the land. Yeah. To get the benefits of land, spend time with nature. Eat good fruits that are cultivated in land freshly. Our mind and body are always connected. If our mind is the software, our body is the hardware. So walk barefoot in the earth, which is very good to connect the land element with your body. And next, you would have watched the kid. You have watched the small kid who is playing in mud, very happy, haven't you? It's because of this. So spend time with nature. And the third one is fire element. Yeah. You ever noticed very depressed and very low energized in the winters? Because it may be the lack of sunlight that you got. So being under sun can definitely help you, but I won't suggest you to be in this 12 noon sun because it's very hot. But the sun is the major source of the earth, so be in it in the early morning or in the evenings. It's really good for your health. And then the most important one, the air element. Yeah, get outside and get a breathe deep. It will definitely help you. Last but not the least, the Akash element, the most powerful of all the elements. Yeah, it's not directly connected to us, but it's connected through a source like music. Yeah, have you ever seen how the music has changed your mind from sad to happy? Yeah, listening to music will definitely help get rid of depression. So try these things, it will definitely help you. And last but not the least thing is nourishing your mind. Nourish your mind with the positive energy, but not with the negative one. If you feel that the news that are running today due to corona, there as the negative thing, so just stop watching news. Yeah, there are many other sources which gives you only good news that you want. Daily exercise can definitely help you boost your mental and physical health. So exercise, play with friends. With this and a good diet, you can definitely get rid of depression. Yeah, this is the soul and natural source. There are many antidepressant tablets, but I would not recommend you that because it's the job of a psychiatrist. But they are also saying that it has only momentary cure, and these are the real cures that you can do to your life. Those antidepressant will make you feel sleepy and thus give you a artificial thing, but these are the real things that you can do, change your lifestyle. So basically that's all for this video. If you are fine but find someone who is very depressed, please don't underestimate this thing with them and please go and help them, because it is our sole work to help the people with us. And those who are in depression, I would say don't expect for others to help. You just be determined and start from today. You can definitely get rid of depression. And basically that's all for this video, guys. I think you would have had this video very informative. Please don't forget to share this video, subscribe to our channel and comment if you want to improve in any of my areas. And that's it. I would see you in another good video. Until then, it's bye from Rudhanush. What depression? What is mean by that? Haven't seen the video of personal assistant? What a man you are. I would definitely want to do something. No people are getting depression these days. It must be that personal assistant who would have saved these guys. Yeah, it's me.